Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox white screen error. If you are facing this white screen error, you have to go to your home screen and here you have to click on settings. And now you have to scroll down and find the app section. Click on apps and now click on manage apps. And here in the search bar, you have to click on Roblox. After clicking the Roblox, here you will see a app info section and here you have to click on clear data option and now you have to click on clear cache option and click OK. After that you have to open your Roblox app and see if you are still facing this white screen error or not. If you are still facing this error, then you have to go to previous tab and in the app info section you have to click on clear data again and now this time you have to click on clear all data and now click on OK. Hopefully these method will help you to fix your white screen error on your Roblox app. Thanks for watching.